No. Ay! Good morning! Sorry kayo. Gigipukaw ka? Okay. See. Okay, baik. Ito sa kataubos niya pasaka ka. Balik ito pasaka ko. Isunod ganito ka mo sunod. Okay. Pasaka ko plain? Oo, pasaka. Okay. Okay. Please say one walk. Okay, walk lang ha. Okay. 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 Okay, pause ko na picture. Ay, walk. Turn. Nice one. And okay, that's it. Last one, walk. Okay. Sige, pabalik ka din. Walk. Lahos na to, lahos lang. Lahos na to sa may okay. And that's it. Nice one. Okay. And okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. See. Nice one. Okay. And nice. And
Okay. Okay. Nice. And okay. Onto the and okay. See. Okay. Nice one. Okay. And okay. Nice one. And okay. And okay. And okay. On and invite sa camera. Nice one. Sige na ka. Nice one. Okay. Okay. Ito boundary turn. Nice one. That's it. And walk. Nice one. And okay. Lahos nga to, lahos. Lahos dito ta. Okay. Okay, lahos na nga to sa may katong unahan kita ha, right ha, lakaw nga to. Nakaw. Sige. Nakaw nga to. Okay. And that's it. Nice one. Sige. Okay. Okay. Turn. Nice one. And okay. And okay. Nice. turn gamay. Tubang rin ako. Yeah, nice. Yeah, okay. Nice one.
Okay.
Okay. Sige. Okay.
Okay.
And okay. Turn. Nice one. Okay. Heads up. And okay. We'll touch a flower. And look at here. Nice one. Okay.
I am very lucky today na si Clint. Being a friend to his father, wala pa'y pandemic, nagka-pandemic, I was here because I always believe on Ellie's passion. Now si Ellie is busy. Naana na take over na ni Clint in taking good care sa mga guests. Kay unsaon na to, how can we bring that memory kung dili ka ita maayo mo video, but Clint, being an expert at the same time, have the compassion nga kuhaan i-capture ang moment ba nga that will last a lifetime. Gapasalamat ko sa imo, Clint.
Thank you so much.
And permission, tanan ana i-post gyud nako.
Sige.
Kay I am very proud nga this family is not just an ordinary person to me. They are my friends. Kay balog yun ko kung unsa ang nasa heart ni Ellie, especially towards the farmers. There is Badyan, Balamban, and there is sa ilang barangay. Don't forget, your visit sa province of Cebu would not be complete without visiting the most beautiful flower farm, emphasize yun na ko ang farm and garden in the province of Cebu, Buwakan ni Alejandra. And if you want to capture a captivating view of the whole flower farm and garden, don't hesitate to get in touch with Clint. Basta matimingan lang yun siya, nga naa siya dire. I tell you, it will be a memory for a lifetime. Clint, salamat kaayo.
Salamat kayo, sir.
I-invite ang ato mga
I just want to thank, I want to take this opportunity to thank Mamita nga siya gid from sugod yun. Siya gid padayon og promote sa mua nga gikan pa gid sa from the start hantod karon visit gid siya sa UK ni siya sa buntag Mulakaw. Yeah. Everyone sa ganahan mo bisita dinhi sa Buwakan. Alin na mo karong Disyembre kay nami something nga i-offer ninyo.
Nalimot pag yun ko, kanang ginabayad yun sa entrance, that's nothing compared sa kahago ng mga farmers. It goes to the farmers. And na sila restaurant ha, lami sa mga pagkaon nila, especially di kato mga native nila ang mga pagkaon. Kay mga organic ang mga food and veggies. Kay na may farm sila dire. So just imagine, from the farm to the table, only here sa Buwakan ni Alejandra. Clint, salamat. Salamat. Ellie,